Make sure y'all hit the subscribe button before the video start. It only take 2 seconds. The stupid shit they asked DRE THESHOEGOD in Chicago. You.
What's good, my boy? I was just trying to see if you could fix these shoes for me.
Yeah, send me pics of problem.
Ain't really no problem, bro. They just bloody. They got dookie stains on them, and they stink. And they got all type of writing on them. Ain't no problem though. But I'll send you pics, G. It ain't nothing.
You.
Hey, I ain't want nothing. I just want to tell you and your cat so cute.
Really, nigga?
So fat and chunky. He is so cute. How you get like that?
He eats, ma'am.
Oh, for real? How old is he?
He's 13.
Really? That's all I wanted. Y'all so cute together. Bye.
Yeah, bro, I was just looking at your page and I wanted to ask you, like, do you fix shoes? Like, I'm like 4 years down your shit and I ain't know. I just wanted to know, do you fix them or you just like posting them or something like that, bro?
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
I can't make this shit up, y'all. I go through that type of shit every single day. Literally every single day. Let's get to the video though. Let's get into the materials, man. Angelus shoe cement or E6000. I prefer Angelus shoe cement because it has a brush on the inside that make your job much easier. Cotton balls and fingernail polish remover. Mod Podge, you can get this from the dollar store or Walmart. Your choice of glitter, in this case I'm doing black because I want to show you how to make glitter custom so it's durable as possible. Listen, whatever choice of glitter you chose, make sure the leather dye is that color or closer to that color. And make sure you use this little box it come into. Don't be like me, because one time I spilled all that shit everywhere. My mama was finna beat me, but that's a story for another day though. Same with the paint. Whatever color glitter you're using, you use that color paint. Spray adhesive, very important. I don't want to be responsible for y'all getting y'all ass whipped by y'all mamas, so get y'all some saran wrap, some paper. It's gonna make y'all cleanups easier when y'all done. Some scissors and a water bottle. Get you some brushes and a brush you know you're not gonna use no more, and some masking tape. Quick tip from me, man, get you some tarp, man. I don't want y'all getting y'all ass whipped for real. This job a little messy, just get it, trust me. And of course, the shoe of your choice. All right, now let's get started. Roll out the saran wrap, put the pieces of paper down. Let's get into the custom. I already know we got to get through the boring parts to get to the fun parts. Get your acetone fingernail polish remover. Prep the shoe up, get all that factory finish off. Make sure you tape the shoe. All the spots you don't want glue and glitter on, tape it off. After some light prep work, your shoe should look similar to mine. I'm working with a baby shoe, so it's a little bit easier for me, but you get the point. Just prep your shoe up, prep it up. Let me tell you about the importance of leather dye. Every custom you do will show wear and tear. A leather dye will help with the longevity of the custom. I don't want to see my customers again. That's why I use leather dye. When it cracks, they won't see the cracks. That's exactly what leather dye is for. A quick tip from me, man, when you're dyeing a leather, make sure you don't touch the tape. It will eat through the tape. You're gonna ruin the whole custom. Make sure you get all the spots you need, but try to avoid that tape best as possible. Now grab that paint you're using. You can be a little careless with this. You don't have to have it perfect, but you have to have it to the point when you do the glitter, it doesn't show the background of the shoe, which is the white. So just give it about 2-3 coats, you should be all good. Your shoe should look something like this. Now it's time to be a little quick on your feet. Get your glue, get your glitter, and get your spray adhesive. It's time to glitter these boys up now. This is the most important part of the custom, the first coat of glitter. When you're gluing, make sure you put glue around the whole shoe, but smooth it out. If you don't, the glitter gonna come out thick and clunky when you don't want this, so smooth it out. When you put the glitter on, make sure you put it on everywhere. I'm talking about if you gotta use the whole damn bottle, use the whole damn bottle. but it's very important that you put a lot of glitter. Make sure you get a shoe a little ass up. You see how I'm spanking it a little bit? Whatever glitter ain't make the cut, it's gonna fall off on the paper. 3 sheets about to come in handy now. All the glitter that fell off, put it on 1 sheet of paper, pour it back in the bottle. But Dre, they look pretty damn good on the first coat. I think I'm finished. You're not though, it's time to do the second coat. When you do the second coat, you get the spray adhesive. Spray light coats around the whole shoe. Then do the same thing you did on the first coat and pour glitter all around the shoe. Please do not use that shoe cement brush for the second coat. Only the spray adhesive. When I say only the spray adhesive, only the spray adhesive. Do not even look at that shoe cement brush anymore. Your shoe should look something like this. Now look at that baby, all glittered up. It's perfect, it's ready to go, but you're not finished. It's time to seal it up. You don't want your shoe flaking all over the place. Remember that water bottle I told you to get? It's time to put it to use. Cut it just like I'm cutting it and fill it up with a little bit of water like I'm doing. As much water as you put in there, put the same amount of Mod Podge in there. This is what's gonna seal the shoe up. Also, as much water and Mod Podge you put in there, put in double the amount of glitter. Mix it all up. Now you got your sealer. It should look a little watery, just like this. Now get you a little brush, spread it around all evenly, about 1 or 2 coats. And after that, you're done. Let it dry for about 45 minutes to an hour. It's a wrap. Make sure you pat it a few times. Me, I like to take pride in my work. I'm about to show y'all, I'm about to put a blow dry to these. If I had did it wrong, all the glitter would have came off. It would have been a disaster. But you see, I'm the guy, though. I'll make sure I get everything right.